CareLink Personal system now has a new way of uploading. This improved experience requires fewer updates and is easier to set up and use. The new uploader replaces the old Java method. Uploading your device data to the CareLink Personal website helps you understand more about your diabetes management and allows you to share your data with your healthcare professional. The first step is to sign into the CareLink website and click on How to install Uploader. Then, click the download link in Step 3 to save the file to a folder that you can find, like your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation. You may need to have full access to change your computer settings, also known as administrator rights. You may also be asked to enter your computer's login password. On the first screen that pops up, select the language that is easiest for you to read. Select Next to begin the installation. Then, select Next to continue and begin the installation. When asked, make sure that your CareLink USB or meter are not plugged in and select OK. When the installation has completed, select Finish. See our additional instructions on how to upload and review your reports. For more information, visit our website